the other side, you can see that the sun is setting down behind the mountain. That is the Aceh Island, an island that separates and close to Sabang, where the island planted with many Mary Jane. I was there long time ago. Very beautiful, right? And still the rainbow exists, right? Rainbow. Very beautiful, but it's not full circle anymore. Yes, some parts already disappeared, but there's two rainbow